is this? This is not done.
You don't understand.
How is this possible? I can put 100 people into trouble in 1 second. You want to see all of us will be in big trouble if this goes on.
What should we do?
No, we have to
Silence.
No.
Sit down. If you keep on shouting like this, nothing will happen. First, we have to form an association. That association have to take all decisions. Is it okay for you all?
That's okay for everyone.
Whatever it may be, we should be freed.
Hey, go away. Sir, don't include the people who got the bribery yesterday. Like us. They should have got it for a long time. I've prepared the list accordingly. Just see this.
Good. Shall I announce the leader of our association?
Tell us.
From the whom he is a politician. From the past 56 years, he was never caught by anyone. Brother APP Ayachami sir will be our new president.
Long live Ayaswamy.
Mariappan, Rangaraju, Lakshmanan, VK Vijay Kumar, Basavaya, Anil Menon. Actually, I don't think so it will work. Okay, you go first. Our beloved Savitri.
Now only you do the right thing.
Tangishami, sit that side.
Don't worry dear, I will be with you. I'll take care of all your problems. Hey, cooling glass, come here.
Sir?
Good morning, sir.
Sit here. It's just my experience. Don't worry, dear. I'll take care of it.
I'm Lakshman, judge.
Hello.
Yes. He has got suspension on the retirement date.
Did she ask you?
Yeah. We have to say that, right?
What problem is going on? Just look at there. It is in the design. That is happening.
We are happy, sir. You people are dead, then why we have to worry?
Local RTO is ready to give some money. I'll go and get it now.
Hello, wait. For 2 rupees, why you're going there? I give 5 rupees.
Stupid, that is 2 lakhs. Hey, just move.
Hey,
What
did you think? How many people are supporting you? Do you know? If we are held, they will also be convicted. They're pouring money on us.
Actually, the court has given time for us to defend ourselves and prove, right?
Yeah.
Even though what he did is forgery only.
Yes.
Actually, we have to appoint her as a president.
First, we will all individually file a case against him. 147 case. Only if he remains inside, we can think of ways to come out of this.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Arrest warrant has come.
I won't surrender myself. When the real verdict is out, I'll surrender myself. Gopi sir, you folk can go.
Sure. It's very safe to be inside the jail.
I won't die, sir. My hard work will not go in vain.
You are the first person to put a case against your own father.
I am not like that.
You should have told me before and I would have been careful, isn't
He
it?
might not have caught now. But after some time.
What are you talking? Don't talk nonsense. The food and the clothes and the shelter, everything is, he was the person who earned it.
Tell that he earned. Don't say that he suffered. If this is all out of dirty money, my body burns.
I'll stab you into pieces, mind that. How dare you could talk like
What's
that?
the fear for me? Has this house ever been a home? Did our father was a good dad? It was like a military only. Father is there, don't laugh. Father is there, don't run. Too many rules. He has committed mistakes in office. The guilty feeling has reflected in home. You can act like you are afraid, but I have no need for that.
Shut your mouth. I will never say that you're my daughter. Get out from here. Never step into this house again.
I know that you will come to that point. I'll go. I'll say I'm an orphan. Here, your husband's hard-earned money.
Sister, we'll also come.
There's only a couple of routes. One is, Arvind Swamy shouldn't be there. Another one is, we should prove that that fake guy is really there. We should do the second thing only. That's safe for us. That's
How
right.
can we do that?
There is way.
Yes. There is a route. Definitely there should be a way. Yes? Hey doctor, go and sit there.
What, sir? Why can't you go and sit there?
What wrong you're talking with these people? Get up.
I will leave this premises.
Please get out. Tell me dear, what's the way?
One way.
Go and consult with a good doctor. No, you say the way.
Arvind has submitted full evidence in court. We have to retrieve those details. In that photo, identity will be there. We have to find a person resembling that and create a new evidence and produce him in court.
If we do so, how it will be solved? He has originals of all video, audio with him.
To prove anything in our country will take minimum 20 years.
Then nothing to worry. I'll definitely die before that.
Whoever is disproving Arvind is not here. Let us prove he's there. Let us change the case.
Then we will say that we are not in that video, okay? We'll lie to everyone.
Sir, judge is a very honest man. It's very difficult.
There should be someone like you. Just pick him.
You will have to spend a lot of money. Is it okay?
We shall give lot of money. Just go ahead. Harichandran. Just see the photograph in the ID proof now.
Sir, it's him only with a little bit of modification.
We have to find a person resembling this photo.
How will we find a person looking like him?
What are you looking at? Ask them to search in every state. Plenty of government databases there. If we want, we can do.
We have been caught and you are all not. That's what the difference. Please help us.
Where he is now? Andhra. Rajamandri. Name? Narasimha Reddy. Operation TAC.
All those people are going to Andhra. It is their name only.
Yes?
We have to meet Narasimha Reddy, sir.
And you?
Arivanandam.
Ganga Raj.
Basavaya.
Anil Menon.
You have come separated or come together?
We are all came together only.
They will fight for everything. Even they don't give for drinking water. But in this case, they will be together.
The 5 elements are common for all the lives on earth. To possess them separately, you will suffer in God's curse.
She is talking about you only.
Just say like that.
She also mentioned you. Don't behave like a gentleman.
Bye, sister.
Excuse me?
Huh?
What are you to Mr. Reddy, sir?
Distant relative.
Oh.
Hey, don't run. Come here.
Excuse me. How are you related to Reddy?
All the persons staying here are all related to Reddy. Mind your job.
Even you.
Guys! Tell me. I cannot decide for myself. There's somebody inside. I'll ask him and tell you. Hey, where are you going?
First have to attend the tailoring class. After that I have to go to the market and buy vegetables for everybody. Then have to go buy medicines.
Okay, take care. Hey! Okay, go.
Darling!
Huh? Hey, Jasmine! Why did you come so soon?
I don't like him. He's a thief.
Hey, I'm here, no? Huh? You have to live happily, okay? Come on, my dear. Don't cry. Come. I'll kill everybody.
See what a life he is leading. It's tremendous. Stop it.
I want to meet all the 147 person. Ask them to come here.
Actually, we are the representative of the...
Hey! You... Go.
Arjun, I need your passport. Both of us are going to Australia. I have arranged for both the tickets and visa. We are going there, getting married and having a child. We are settling there. I have arranged all this through my friends. Here you go.
Anjana?
I'm telling you seriously. You were the one who told me that it's difficult to make him surrender. We don't have a choice now. Don't think about it. Go shoot him. I'm not able to digest the fact that a person who killed my father is living happily. Do this. Why are you hesitating? I know you. You won't shoot him. You cannot shoot him. Because Ramana is your brother.
It's true that Ramana's my brother. But I'm not playing games with you.
You want him and you want me. I don't want Ramana to die in a couple of seconds. He should suffer for the rest of his life. That is my wish.
Anjana, please understand.
You promised to make him surrender, but you have cheated me. When a girl you love dies before your eyes, you'll understand the pain only when I die.
Anjana! 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 Anjana!
Hey,
please,
stop it!
Please, listen to me, please, listen. I'm not fooling or cheating you. I cut my hand and I was almost about to die. What about that? He tried to kill me when I was young. I don't care about him. I want you. Please believe me.
Madam, I need 10 rupees more.
Where are you going, Anjana?
To some small corner of this world. I'm not telling you the place.
You are very angry. I'll call you and talk to you later, okay?
From now on, I will not call you at all. Now, the only connection between you and me is the SIM card. From now on, you can't see me or talk to me. When Ramana gets arrested, it will be broadcasted. I will see that news and then come and see you myself, okay?
Anjana, please don't do this.
No, this is needed.
Anjana, I can't be without seeing you.
You can't, right? Then do it. Do what I told you to.
ट्रेन नंबर 12137 पंजाब मेल अपने निर्धारित समय से 2 घंटा देरी से चल रही है। धन्यवाद।
What's that announcement?
The train I'm waiting for is 2 hours late. You can leave, Arjun.
I don't know when we'll see each other next. I want to spend the next 2 hours with you. Please.
Bye. I'm leaving.
1 minute, Anjana. I'll leave before you leave. I don't know where Anjana is right now. I miss her a lot. I want her back. I want to spend the rest of my life with her. For that, you have to surrender. If not, I'll tell them you're here.
Hey! I'm here only. Come on, guys!
Hey, he's up there. Let's go. Come on, come on.
I'm not the same Ramana as the young age. I'm a different person now. Do you know my range in Mumbai? Complete harbor is in my control. I'm a king in real estate also. 17 business, 10 illegal, 7 legal. Ramana is a king here. So for someone, you want me to get surrendered and imprisoned, right? Get back to your place immediately. Else, you will die.
Don't know how many more days you have to suffer like this. By now, you should have become a big chef.
I very well know that you're trying to brainwash me. Tell me what's the issue.
Okay, I'll tell you everything. If you want to escape from these guys, I'll give you a superb idea.
Hey, I had 101 ideas, but nothing worked out. I don't think I have any other way but work here. If I idea out, I'll get beaten up.
Hey, first listen to me. If Ramana goes to jail, what will you do?
I'll cook for one less person.
Shit! If Ramana goes to jail, the gang will split. Then you'll be a free man.
Huh?
Oh.
What should I do for that?
I need Ramana's phone for half an hour.
Hey, do you think that's a rented cycle to get that for half an hour? If he comes to know, I'll be chopped into pieces. Here we go, 1 rupee. Why don't you go use a payphone? I cannot steal his phone.
Hey, just do it, man.
What is this, man? For you to be with your girlfriend, why should I bleed?
Stop acting like a jerk. Don't you want to be rich? Don't you want to make it big out there? Listen to me when I'm talking to you. When people hear your name, they should be proud you're born in India.
Okay. I will.
Yes.
Get the cell phone.
Good.
But one thing, dude. It's because of you guys who brainwash poor people and get them into trouble all the time.
We don't have time. Go, hurry up!
I can't see any animals. How come they kept a gun on the table and just left it like that?
Don't leave him! Just beat him badly! He won't be alive forever!
Why are you shouting?
Look, brother, he have cheated us whom we believed. I won't leave him.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Brother, I thought I'll wash the utensils and make some more food and then I'll wash the utensils again and...
What happened?
I couldn't do it. Why did you hit me?
You can't get even his mobile phone?
Hey, not that one, dude. I couldn't run anymore. I'm breathing heavily. Here's the cell phone.
Sorry.
The one who discovered sorry, I feel like smacking him. What? Are you looking for a girl's number? He doesn't have such habits.
Auditor Muralidharan's number.
Why do you need his number?
Hello?
All my documents, as on date, totally. Second channel, bank accounts, properties, documents. Get all the details in a pen drive and come to my office now.
Sir, what you're saying is a very serious thing. If the higher officials get to know about this, we'll be in very big trouble. Please tell your assistant Money to come and see me.
I have sent money to Andhra for a purpose. Whatever it might be. Come to my office, sure.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Hey, I didn't know you could mimic people.
If I speak through my nose, I'll sound like Ramana, that's all.
So if you scratch your nose, will you sound like Amitabh Bachchan? Hey, don't blabber unnecessarily. I planned it accordingly. But there's a fault in your plan.
What?
Now that Money animal is in Mumbai, and if that auditor has a doubt, he'll call Money, don't you think so?
You're right.
Just wait. Now I will start mimicking people.
Hey, I forgot my cell phone. Turn the vehicle.
Hey, shh. Ramana. Tell me, Ramana.
Hey, you need to travel now to Andhra immediately. You can find a TTR there with the black box with him. Go to him and tell that it will rain on Friday.
If I said like that?
On Thursday itself, he will take all the precaution steps for that immediately. Idiot. This is the code word. Tell this to him and get the box with the diamonds and come here, okay?
Okay, brother.
Go, baby, go. You'll get shot over there. Success. Here.
Hey, go and keep it back in Ramana's room.
Hey, what are you saying? Keep it back in his room. Instead, I wouldn't mind putting my head under a truck. I'm not his wife to go to his room often. I cannot do all these things.
Do it or you'll get into trouble.
Why should I?
Because it has your fingerprints on it. Too bad, you should have worn gloves, my friend.
Hey, what do you think I'm going to operate him for piles? That I should wear gloves and all? Tell me honestly. Do you want to get Ramana trapped or me trapped? Is that your plan? Tell me.
Ramana might come back anytime. Go and keep the phone. Go.
You forgot your cell phone. I thought I'll get it to you from the backyard, and then I went to the front yard. I couldn't know.
Hey, shit.
Forgive me.
Give me the phone.
Here's your cell phone.
My mother doesn't know that I will not have a long life. She can't accept this truth. That's the reason I did not tell anything, because I love my mom very much. Sorry to trouble you with my story, sir. Please wait here. I'll inform the doctor.
Poor fellow. He's such a young guy. Dying stage.
Sir? That's Priya, sir.
You don't understand or what? Coming to make problem or what? Please get out from here or else I'll have to call the police.
Please open the door, Anand.
Sir, please try to understand, sir. Your daughter Priya is going for a good cause, sir. Please try to understand, sir.
Please, allow me to me. I'm saying, you know. Hey, what are you doing?
I am not being cruel here. The people who came here now, they are cruel. If you go to the court tomorrow, you will be stripped naked and made to stand on the road. That's what they came and cautioned me. Listening to all this, how can I allow you to go? Hey, they are all very dangerous people, man. They are too rich. They can do anything they want. Whatever is the case, I will not let you go.
Study. You're making me to study medicine to save their lives. But if you say not to save lives, who is struggling in front of my eyes, means how, Dad? They are so poor, Dad. Please forgive me, Dad. I gave anesthesia to you, Dad. Within 2 hours, you will be normal, Dad. Nothing will happen to you, Dad.
Sir. What happened, sir? What happened?
Hey, why did you do like this? Please, nothing will happen to you, Dad. Everything will be alright. Look here. Please, look here, dear.
Don't worry, madam. He'll be alright. Come, Mike, let's move. Public interest case. Factory labor safety. The life safety of the workers. Article 21 of the Constitution invoice. Petition by a doctor. Accepted by the court. You may reopen the case.
My lord, my motive is not to close the factory or stop the work of Selva Vinayagar Steel Factory. There is no security for the workers who work in that factory. I need only the full protection and full precaution for the workers. As the machines are bought before 75 years, by using that machines, the workers are receiving 140 decibel sound. Because of that, they are becoming deaf, heart attacks, BPs, abortion for ladies. All these reasons are because of the sound pollution. As a doctor, when I went to Thuthukudi camp, I was able to collect so many evidence. I got the expert opinion from the government doctor also. Not only that, to make the steel more shining, they are using chromium acid and other chemicals are also being used. There is no security for the workers who are exposing to that chemical, sir. The workers who are constantly exposed are not got any process safety or health safety, anything, sir. There is an example for their factory's carelessness. A girl, Kalpana, who is working in that factory, got hand in the machine. If they wished, means they may have broke the machine and saved her life. But since the machine is costly, they have neglected to save her life. It's a gulf and a cold murder, my lord.
What's your prayer?
Without security, no factory should run. The judgment which is given by you today will save the innocents' life who are working in the factories like this, sir. Please save their lives.
SV Steels, what is your response?
My Honor, I, the Managing Director of SV Steel Industries, will truly present everything to the knowledge of the court. For my reference, I have got my advocates. My Lord, this case filed under the Public Litigation Act seems to be targeted only at my factory. In our factory, we all interact like one family. Somebody who is jealous of my growth have actually caused this inconvenience for us.
Man? Do you really think this guy is talking genuinely?
This young Dr. Priya accuses my factory of producing excess noise, as a result of which heart attacks happen. On the 1st of every month, if I don't pay the salary only, they will get heart attack. For sound and noise will they get heart attack. That's a big joke. For the noise, it seems abortion happens or something. I frankly don't understand how you combine both abortion and my company. In fact, I am a person who treats all women like my sister. Women do not work for more than 6 hours in my factory. Most of the time they'll be at home only. They'll be washing clothes, they'll be lifting pots of water, they'll be having quarrels with their husbands and then getting beaten up. All this is not the cause of abortion, but only sound is the cause of abortion. I don't understand. Our factory actually runs on very silently only. This young doctor's next allegation is chromium.
Good morning to our honorable judge. Are you working in the factory chrome plate section? Are you affected by any leprosy or cancer?
I am absolutely fine, Your Honor. No health problems at all.
He's lying.
Do you have a
He's
regular
not
health
working in the
checkup?
factory.
It is
He
not
working
required,
in his
Your
house
Honor.
only. I saw him.
Daily 2 doctors come and have the regular checkup. Yesterday also our urine was tested. We don't have any health problems, Your Honor.
My lord, I just would like to know who has got the authority to impose rules and punish us. Is it an individual or an appointed body of the government? Who is the competent authority here? Is it the inspector of factories or labor department or an individual doctor? I would like to know. My lord, regarding my factory, health inspector, factory union leader, government approved certificate, everything is presented to you. Have you given it or not?
I have given it, sir.
Sir, I am just summarizing it once. This young doctor is representing a body who speaks only lies.
Hey, what do you mean by she's talking lies? Are you talking something genuine?
Who are you to
don't
talk here?
man.
You sit
You
down.
talk first, genuine. You are not talking something genuine. You only started first.
Okay,
You
kindly
cannot
sit
say that
down.
she's telling
Silence.
lies. You are talking lies.
Order.
You were talking.
Kindly
You
sit
started
down.
first. You started accusing her.
Be silent.
She is accusing
I
her.
said sit down.
No, this cannot be happening in the court. No, this
Silence.
doesn't happen in the court. You cannot talk like
even a
this.
party to this.
Please sit down, sir.
Indecent young fellows. Come on, let's sit.
Your Honor, please forgive me, Your Honor. I purposely only created this havoc here. For this 1 minute of chaos, you got angry, right? You got tense, right? But there, from morning till night, the factory laborers toil amidst the machine noise. The intensity of the noise is killing, sir.
The court to meet at 5 o'clock for judgment. This case cannot be rejected just like that very easily. For the welfare of the workers, the doctor has submitted her points very clearly, and the court appreciates the doctor for a laudable effort. At the same time, as far as the factory and the labor department are concerned, inspection of factories, labor department and government, there is a big administrative hierarchy. Parliament, judiciary, administration. These three cannot interfere in their powers with each other. Inspectors of factory report, labor department affidavit. Taking these 2 points together, the court dismisses this case.
I told you right.
What happened, sir? You have lot of chances to cross-examine. Why you didn't do, sir? Yesterday night also you have gave us conference, no?
Case was very strong in
how
their
much did they pay you for this case?
Language, okay?
Hey, what do you mean by talk to whom? We got to talk to you only. Such a big case was handed over to you and you have actually not handled it properly. People are dying. Don't talk to me. I'll bash your face off.
He's got money from those guys. Don't believe him. You unfaithful.
She thought I'm a fool or what? What did you say? Company owners. Oh, alligators. Will swallow without chewing itself, including law. When the lion hunts, nothing should come between him and the prey. What, doctor? You understand now? Tell me, Joseph. Thanks, man. The case is over in our favor. Where are you now? I've got my flight early in the morning. Can we have dinner together? You please be there only. I'll come in half an hour.
Now you are talking with Malar, I know that very well. Today night you are going to spend with her, I know that. You gave my factory as a gift, thanks for that. Keep my factory as a gift.
Hey! What? You You can't bear the smell or what? I have only drunk half a bottle. He is drunk a full bottle.
Drunkard fellows, how did you get inside my car? First get out of my car, or else I'll kick you out of my car.
If you shout too much, I'll poke it in. You are talking too much in court. Now talk and see. Talk, you bloody. You're a big corporate crocodile, huh? We are corporation mosquitoes. However big person you are, we'll drink your blood.
Hey, before the signal changes, just change your seat and listen to me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I said change your seat, man. Quick! Hey, lift your hands. Hey, Mike, just hold him. Come on.
Hey, you're drunk and you're doing a big mistake now. You're going to repent for whatever you're doing now.
Hey, just shut your mouth, okay?
Just wait and see what I'm going to do with you guys.
Quiet.
You don't know about me. You will be in big trouble.
Hey, I said shut up.
Hey, why are you driving, man? You cannot drive now. Please listen to me.
Hey, this man should not be alive.
Hey, don't, man. If you drive, he'll die, man.
Hey, I'll take care of that. Just
Actually,
leave
I'm
him.
trying to make you understand.
Hey,
Please understand what I'm
just
saying.
shut up, please. Get out from here. Hey, just
listen
move.
to what I'm
Hey,
saying now.
hey.
You don't take your own.
Listen, please.
Hey, stop, man.
What are you doing?
Hello?
Priya, Anand has actually kidnapped Selva Vinayagan and taken him in the car.
What, Mike?
He is actually fully drunk, Priya. If he drives like this, he will meet with some accident. You call him only, then he'll stop the car. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh my God! Hey, you bloody drunkard fellow! Don't use the phone while you're driving,
Hey,
you
just
fool!
shut up, okay?
Anand, where are you? Please stop the car.
Hey, you don't
Anand,
talk over phone.
please listen to
Priya,
me.
he's drunk. Ask him not to drive.
Hey, shut up.
Anand, please stop the car.
No, Priya. This bloody fellow is playing with people's lives, you know. I should make him understand the actual value of life. I will not leave this bloody fellow.
Oh God, please don't talk foolishly. To save their lives only, I was struggling like this, no? Please, Anand, kindly stop the car.
No,
Tell him not to
Priya.
drive now.
Please stop it.
No, Priya, I'm not going to leave this bloody fellow. I'm going to kill him.
Hello?
Priya, come. Anand, Priya, you go the other way. Sir.
Anand. Anand, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Sir, are you okay, sir? Anand, are you okay? Why did you do like this, Anand?
No, Priya. You have to win. That's the reason
Don't talk
you should be
stupidly. Who said that if we die only I will win? It's not like that.
Sir. Priya, just come and see. See what happened to
He
him.
got heart attack.
Just leave him, Priya. He should die.
Come and hold him. Come and hold him.
Please
I
leave
said
him.
come and hold him.
die.
Please.
No, I will not hold him.
Just stop
Take
it.
him,
Kindly
take him
help me
somewhere.
to take him to
Hold
hospital,
him, man.
please.
Take him to the hospital. We have to take him.
Please bring the
Hold
stretcher
him, man.
fast. Come on, go fast.
Sir, keep breathing. Sir,
Sir,
keep
open
breathing.
your eyes, sir.
Sir, keep breathing, sir. Sir, please open your eyes and keep breathing.
Sir, nothing will happen to you, sir.
Sir, just relax, sir.
Take a
Just
deep
relax.
breath.
Everything is fine.
Nothing will happen to you, sir.
Everything is fine with you, sir. Just relax.
Open your eyes, sir.
He has achieved his goal.